Yeah, it has reached uh, a zone here, resistance zone. So let us just backtrack and see what has happened before. In this zone, there seems to be a lot of consolidation, you see, unlike here it went through. But here, see consolidation goes down, touches, moves down, touches again, it moves down, touches again, it moves down, and then here as well, there's movement, you see. Whenever it gets to the zone, it moves. Same here, it pulls through. And then we got this current touch here, you see, yeah, it wanted to break through, but then it came down again. Just switch down to a lower time frame. Dropped all the way yesterday when it touched that zone, that resistance zone. It came down all the way. Let me just show you again. You see, and it got to this area. It touched here before. To move and then it came down again. Yeah, you see, usually after a big move, the market tends to, see yesterday, this was all yesterday's move, you see, and then now it's, just consolidating, it's moving sideways, and that is what we're looking for, seeing that we trading non-farm payroll, this is what we're looking for, you know, we want the market to move in this manner because it will be easy for us to do analysis, whereas you find the market going up and then down, where it's a ranging market, there's just a lot going on, so it would be difficult for you to do analysis on such market. But when it's still, you know then we can, work something out. Usually I prefer, you know especially, I don't know, there's something with gold and trend lines, I don't know, there's always something, especially when it's consolidating. It consolidates within the trend, you know, consolidates within the trend, yeah. So that is what we're looking for. We hoping that it would play along, you know, it would play along in this trend, it would play along in this trend, and do its things, and then we know there's only two possible outcomes, you know, but we still have a long way because it's only 9 now, so there's a lot that can happen. See, the market could break here, you know, and then it would basically, if it breaks, right, it would come retest and then move up again, you know, or it could just break here, retest, and then go down, you know. But I am hoping that it would, just play in here, as you can see, touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, and then you can sell, buy and so forth. Because this usually happens with gold, and then yesterday I I removed those things. I removed because I was actually busy with something else. You know, you know. For instance, with this one, you see, perfect example. Uh, you know, played here, touched here, came here again, and then at this point you would sell, but then what happens? The market moves up a bit, to take out your stop loss, because most of you would put your stop loss around about at this point. So it the market moves here, take out your stop, and then go in your direction, you know. So yeah, you sell, it tests, it comes up, and then it breaks. The moment it breaks, you know, what I usually do is when the market is still moving here, right, and then it breaks, you know, I wouldn't usually sell at this moment, you know. The reason being, the market could just make a rejection, you see. So what I would do is I would wait for it to, the candle to close, see where it closes, and then usually, if it's still gonna go in the same direction, it would go up. As you can see here, you see, it moved up, and then this is where I would sell, you know, this is where I would sell, and then boom, goes down again, and then, you know, it repeats itself. So I am hoping for, the same, but we'll just see later today what is going to happen. And I think I should trade gold. I was thinking of trading USD JPY, but yeah, I would rather trade gold. So we shall come back later and see how it has played out.